viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. As a student, before you engage yourself in a protest in this country, you need to stay woke, because you don't want to end up in prison or behind bars. So if you don't know what is happening in Nigeria right now, I am here to give you the lowdown. Over 52 students have been arrested and remanded to prison in Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma, Benin City, Nigeria. So these students were protesting over the increasing rate of kidnapping in Edo, in Benin City, Ekpoma precisely. So students came out in quantum, in large quantity, and protested. You know what happened? In the middle of the night, after they protested and went to their various hostels, in the middle of the night, they were fished out from their different hostels and they were taken to court. From court, they were taken to prison. I did not make this up. Watch this video.
Oh, Jesus!
My own person here.
No, this is not fair. 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 No. Why am I sitting Why am I sitting?
Asiwaju, President of Nigeria. These are the crying faces that are sent to Ubiaja Correctional Center for what they know nothing about. Sir, we did not participate in that protest. The people that participated in that protest, they are in their houses. They are walking freely on the streets, and nothing happened to them. Sir, we are begging you. We are being punished for what we know nothing about. Sir, we are your children. We are your children, sir. Please, have mercy on us. Even if at all we even offended you, at least a father must have mercy for his child. We are all your children. Have mercy on us. Have mercy on us. Nobody can deny what we are seeing this government doing in Edo State. Therefore, we will not support vandalism. We will support vandalism. No. We will support destruction of property. No. We will support obstruction of movement. No. We go put tire for road. No. If you not see anybody first when he do it, more than tell us if we come out now, we go bring them.
Just look at these guys now. Look at these students. Early weeks of January, you are being remanded to the prison because of what you spoke up. Remember, few weeks, Ekpoma has been bleeding. A lot of people has been kidnapped. First of all, the first question is, how were they able to see the faces of the boys that went to the protest? How were they able to see these faces and was able to catch them one by one after the other and taken to the court? Not a single kidnapper has been on site. Not one of them has been on site. The people that are catching these students, what about the kidnappers? Thirdly, if you are a student engaging in a protest, first of all, there is SUG, Students Union Government in School, Nigerian Association of Students. What are they doing about it? Nigeria is a country where everything, like lots and lots of lawlessness. You see people organizing for a peaceful protest. You see some people by the corner looting. Now they are saying that most of these people that were arrested, they looted. They were the people looting the shops, taking things from other shops. As a student in Nigeria, first of all, there is nothing is waiting for you. So if you know what is good for yourself, enter school, and finish your school in peace and go for your NYSC rather than ending up behind bars. You know, because the police is there, the army is there, and people decided to protest. And now these guys are now caught and remanded to prison. You can imagine. coming to school to January, from January, announcing yourself behind bars because you went for a protest. I see. You need to stay woke in Nigeria. Viewers and subscribers, until I come again, I am Bella. However you feel about this video, put it on the comment section, because it's a new year. People need to stay woke. As a student, stay woke. We don't need matters that touch the bomb, because your parents are paying lots and lots of amounts on tuition. Peace.